Hi, my name is Stuart Caldwell here at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Today we're going to take a look at our Crest I 220. This particular model has two loungers up front. Underneath the loungers you have plenty of storage. You also have the helm here with a captain's chair and a captain's chair next to it as well. On the dash you have the RPMs, the volt gauges, the fuel gauge, along with your Fusion stereo. You also have the captain's cooler cup. That helps to keep your favorite beverage cool during your trip out on the lake. Then back here in the back, you also have two more loungers. Again, plenty of storage underneath. There's your battery as well. Easy access. On this particular model, you have powder-coated rails. This is our tan and beige floor plan. So come by, see us at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway, MarineMax. And again, my name's Stuart.